Hi, my name is Sherry Cook. I'm a charge nurse in the Pediatric Emergency Department at Brenner Children's Hospital. I'm here to show you some of the many reasons why our emergency department is so specialized to care for any size child. So most people know what a blood pressure cuff is for. This is your standard adult size cuff here in the red. We have the smaller sizes. This green here would be more for a youth, and this infant one in the orange. This allows us to get a more accurate reading on your child because the blood pressure cuff size has to be the appropriate size for each child. The difference in the pediatric gowns is certainly the colors, the bright colors. Here we have a more infant size gown with the bright pinks and reds. We have more of a youth size gown in the green compared to our adult, or which we use sometimes for our adolescents, the larger size gowns. The orange needle you can see is obviously larger. It's for an adult. The yellow needle is our smallest needle, and that we use on our infants and toddlers. This allows us to give adequate treatment with the most comfort for the child. This is an example of the different sizes we have in our pediatric emergency department. This is a urinary catheter, and this would be a smaller adult size or a larger adolescent size, and this is what we use on our newborns. So one of the scariest things for a parent is to bring their child in when they're having difficulty breathing. We have all different sizes of resuscitation equipment here in the emergency department to assist with breathing. This is an example of an adult side, and what's so important about having different sizes is what you want is to get a good seal over a patient's nose and mouth. So this would be an example of an adult size, and this would be an example of one of our infant size. And you can see the difference in the size, and we have every size in between. We also have different size transportation equipment that accommodates the different size children we have. Here's an example of our adolescent wheelchair, and this is an example of our small child wheelchair. To learn more about our services, please visit brennerchildrens.org.